Alright guys, I'm going to run my Rawlings bid here, 1:02 a.m. July 7th. We are going to go live. We are live. 1:02 a.m. July 7th. 1:02 a.m. July 7th. I'll grab the list. Which is right here. 10 spots. We will drop it into random. We have 10 entries. Aaron up top, Brian Gill on the bottom. 2 dice, 5 or higher. 4, it's not high enough. 2 dice, 5 or higher. 10's good. 10 times. Here we go. It's 1. 10 entries. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9 times. Dice is a 10. Next click. Top spot. Good luck. And 10. Congrats, Aaron. Spot 3. You are the winner. Get in touch with me, and I will get that to you. 1:03 a.m. We are done. We will type done. We are done. 1:03 a.m. 1:03 a.m. Here is the verification and timestamp.